Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be teaching you how to solve the Rubik's Cube with the beginner's method. So first thing you need is the cube. So right now I'm using the GAN 11M Pro. But if you're just starting out, I recommend you should buy the RS3M 2020. It's really cheap and it doesn't feel cheap at all. It can corner cut just about anywhere. Oh, that was a bad example. There we go. So it can corner cut just about anywhere. It's made by Moyu. Slice moves are pretty great. It turns really smoothly as well, so I think you should get the RS3M 2020, or if you're going for a more cheaper cube, I recommend you get the Guanlong. It's not magnetic. The RS3M is magnetic, but the Guanlong is not. Don't mind the stuff that's on the sticker. I just put some stuff on the stickers to memorize blindfold and stuff. When you get it out of the box, it is very smooth, but now it's like really slow. Doesn't really corner cut. The main thing was like it was really fast, and it's also really cheap, so yeah. I recommend the RS3M 2020 more. So let's start. By the way, I have some timestamps in the descriptions if you want to skip some parts. Okay, so scramble the cube. So we're going to start by making a daisy, basically. So what we're gonna do is we're going to get the all the white edges into the next to the yellow center. So yeah, so we see this white green edge over here. We will just move that up to here. Next we see this orange white piece. We're going to move the top and then put it up. So now we have this. Ignore this white corner. That doesn't really matter for now. Okay. So we have this white red edge. So you can just do this. And now we have a daisy. Just ignore the corners. If you have any corners, doesn't matter. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to move the top side until the edge and its other color is matched with the center. So sorry about that expression. So we're going to move. Let's say we're going to focus on this one. We're going to move it until they are matched up with center. So if it's like this, then no. If it's like this, then no. If it's like this, no. But here it is matched, so we will bring it down. Like here. And then this is already matched as well. Looks like we got lucky. So we'll just bring it down. And then this one is also already matched, so we'll bring it down. Okay, so if it's like not matched over here, we're just going to turn the top side until it is matched, and then you can bring it down. Okay, so now we have the cross, and all these are matched as well. So now what we are going to do is flip the cube around like this with the yellow still facing on the top, and we're going to look for the corners because we are going to do the first layer. So I see this corner. So what you can do is we can bring this out like that, and then find where it is going to go. So I see white, blue, and red. So find where you think this should be. So it should be here because white is here, blue and red. This is white, blue, and red. White, blue, and red. So what we need to do is to make the white over here. Make one of the stickers match up with the center like this. So these are matched, and face the part where the white is in front of you. So like this. So what you can do to insert this over here is U prime, R prime. That solves this corner. Next we're going to look for another one. So this one. This is white, blue, and orange. I'm going to take that out. Find where this should go. Just here. Make the corner match up with the edge. And find the white facing you. And then just do the lefty version. So U prime, L prime, U, L. Okay. Next you see this one. We can just bring this out, and this is actually where it needs to go. So yeah. So corner match with the center, and then just insert it. U R prime. Wait, sorry. U prime R prime. Then if you have like a corner that's like on, like the white is on the top, what we can do is we can just do this. So make it on the right side over here, and then just do R U prime R prime, and now the white is now on like one of the sides. So get these to match. White in front of you, U prime, L prime, U, L. And that solves the first layer. Next we're going to have the second layer. So what we need to do is to find an edge with no yellow. So this one has a yellow. This is green, but this is yellow, so no. This is red and blue, so we're going to start with that. So get the color that is facing you and try to match it up with a corner. Sorry, a center. Like we did with the edges when making the daisy and the cross. So now it is matched up. And try to see where this is going to go. This is going to the orange or red. Top side is red, so it's going to red. Blue and red. So what we need to do is to do this algorithm. So U prime R. U R U prime R prime. Turn the cube around and do U prime L prime U O. If you want a more simpler kind of alg, so get this to match. This is going to red. So what we can do is to move it away from red. Okay, so we're moving it away from red, and then we will bring this up and then put this back over here, and then bring this down because we don't want to mess the cross, so we will bring this down. Now they are paired up. So now what we will do is to rotate the cube and then insert this. So we can do U prime, L prime, U, L. And that solves this edge. Next we'll find another edge. So we have this one. This green and orange. So match the color. Now it's in green. So now it's matched up. The top side has orange, so it will go here. So move it away. Bring this up. Bring this back, and then bring this down, so that this will not be disorientated or whatever. So next we will rotate the cube, and then insert it by doing U prime, L prime, U, L. That solves this. Next we have this one. So try to match it up like this. Then this is red, so it's going here. It's going to the left this time. So this is red, it's going here. Move it away. Bring this up. Move it back. And then bring us down. So it's still solved over here. Next we're going to rotate the cube. And then do U, R, U prime, R prime. That solves the second layer. Okay. There is also another case where this is already here, but it's like not solved. So what you need to do is to just make it on the right side and bring it out by doing R, U prime, R prime, rotating, and then bringing this back. So U prime, L prime, U, L. So now it's right here. We're just going to match it up with the edge piece. And I did what we did all on the other ones. Let's bring this away from blue. Bring this up. Put it back. Turn the cube. U prime. L prime. U. L. So that solves the second layer.